Hello, class professor. My name is Roderick Jones, but I go by RJ. I'm originally from Houston, Texas, but I'm stationed in Utah because of the military. I've been in the military for almost 9 years now. My job is security forces, which is basically like military police, if you didn't know. I've been on 2 deployments, 3 different bases, been around the world a few times, but not enough. To answer the prompt, the only disaster I could think of was when I was in ninth grade. In 2009, Hurricane Ike came and messed up a lot of southern Texas. During that time, my family and I were out without power for 14 days. But luckily, we had a generator, a barbecue pit that really came in clutch and helped us out. FEMA came through and set up a lot of stations over the city and helped a lot of families out that had flood damage, roof damage, any type of damage. They was there to render aid when they needed, get in boats to go get people out of homes. Their response was pretty efficient from what I remember. Um, the only thing I can compare it to is Hurricane Katrina because being in Houston, we still dealt with Hurricane Katrina. We had a lot of evacuees come from Louisiana over to Texas, and just seeing how they handled Hurricane Ike and actually how they handled the recent hurricanes that Texas has had, I feel like they did a really good job, and they were able to save a lot of people's lives, keep families together, and stuff like that. Um, but that's all I got. Look forward to working with y'all. Okay, bye.